morning, puppy. Yes. Wait lang.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Sit! Sit! Shh. Sit! Good dog! What are we? Come on! Wow! It's Coco's first birthday on April 12th, so I'm gonna bake him this peanut butter and banana cupcakes. In a small bowl, let's add half a cup of all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Let's whisk our dry ingredients. We'll set this aside and let's move on to our wet ingredients. Get 1 medium banana and mash it. Bananas are good treats for your doggos. We will add 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I'm using Skippy. Make sure that your peanut butter doesn't contain xylitol, which is toxic to dogs. Before I forget, make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So before you bake anything for your 4-legged babies, be sure that all the ingredients are safe for dogs. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of water. Lastly, we'll add 1 egg. Let's mix everything together. It is time to combine our wet and dry ingredients. I'll be using Gordo's Baker's Pantry cupcake liners for this. And they have this version with balloons, perfect for Coco's birthday. Unfortunately, the Gordo's branch at SM Aura is closed already, so less store for me to visit there. This recipe can make 6 small cupcakes. We'll bake these cupcakes for 10 to 15 minutes. Our cupcakes are now done. We'll take them out of the oven to cool. For the frosting, we'll prepare 1 all-purpose cream and we'll add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. I don't know what happened to the frosting, but it didn't form any stiff peaks, so I just spooned some of it on top. I don't think Coco will mind though. And to make it extra special, I added some doggy biscuits. Okay, sorry for the mess, but Coco, happy birthday! Kita ba? Ay! It's okay to be messy. Happy birthday, Coco! Very good. Coco, I'm happy. You enjoyed it. This is your perfectly splendid peanut butter and banana pupcakes. I love you, Coco. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week.